back at Albertsons. Today is Wednesday. It is April 16th. And today the new advertising for Albertsons came out, and we noticed there are two specific things that we want to get on this shopping trip. One is the ham for 79 cents.
79 cents.
The beef ribeye, I believe, I think it's $9.99. Both items while supplies last.
Yes, so ham right before Easter, generally out the door quick, so we got to get in there and get some.
Yeah, we're gonna get in, get our items. We will be back on Friday because they do have $5 Friday. There's a lot of things this week that we want to get, so we'll see you inside.
I think I found our first purchase.
Yeah, this is the signature
Applewood, 3 pounds for $8.97.
Yeah, its regular price is $19.47. It is on sale now for $8.97 for 3 pounds. There's only one left, so we're gonna go ahead and get it now.
There we go.
In the cart. What did we find?
Some ham.
We did find ham. This is actually what we came for, 79 cents a pound. This is the Cook's ham shank portion. Great deal. As soon as we get home, we're gonna slice it up, put it in the freezer, stretching our dollar. How much is the total price?
$7.02.
There you go. $7.02 in the cart. While we were waiting to get our roast, we found another deal that was too good to pass up. What did we get?
We got the USA Choice Beef Petite Sirloin.
Yes.
And the sale price is actually $6.99, but they have another coupon.
Yeah, there's
price.
a coupon you can get. It brings it down to $2.99. Limit 2, so we are going to get 2. They look really good. We talked to somebody else that was here, and she gave us some ideas for cooking it, so that's a great saving.
Yeah,
so we're
sure.
Gonna definitely, we didn't come for this, but it's too good of a deal. We can't pass it
Have
up.
to walk away.
Yeah, so in the cart. Okay, what did we find? This is what we came for.
This is a rib roast, bone-in, kind of like what you do, like a prime rib type of cooking, and we got a good deal on it. This normally would go for $106. Unbelievable how small.
And what are we paying?
We're only paying $53.13.
Yeah,
so.
and I think you can serve this, I think, as steaks or just do like a prime rib kind of roast, and I think that's how we're gonna do it.
Yes.
So that's definitely a good savings, and we are getting it. It's in the cart. Doing a sneak peek. This is what we're gonna come back for on Friday. That is the Boston cream pie, and on Friday it's gonna be $5. So right now it's $15. We're gonna wait to show these little Easter cakes. They're tiny little cakes. They're $7.99. There's 4 of them, and they are so cute. Perfect for Easter. Okay, that was a really good shopping trip.
Yes, it was.
Our total bill, and we did pick up a few other things. Mostly everything was on sale. There was just like 1 or 2 things that we picked up that weren't on sale, but our total bill was like 53% off overall. We got a lot of really, really good deals.
Yes, and we're gonna be eating good for a while.
We are. We got that rib roast. We got 2 big packs of this petite sirloin.
Yeah.
A lot of things that are going to go into the freezer. So I was pretty happy about that deal.
We even got something that, a little dessert.
Yeah. That was on sale.
It was on sale too.
We saw that at the checkout. It was like, I don't know, $5 or $5.99.
$5.99, I think it was.
So we're going to just stick that in the freezer because Friday. Today's Wednesday. On Friday, we're gonna come back and there's a bunch of things that are on sale Friday that we're gonna come and pick up. So
yeah, we might have to rearrange the freezer a little bit.
I think we are. But overall, this is a really good trip. We are trying to stretch our dollar, save money, and really stock the freezer. So today we accomplished that goal.
What's my motto? Buy it cheap, stack it deep.
There you go. You heard it first. 2 thumbs up. Bye.